What if your city cut traffic without pouring a single mile of asphalt?
That's what AI traffic and V2X are doing. No Traffic's smart signals cut congestion by up to 40%, and Wuxi's connected network shaved 15% off delays and 20% off accidents.
Transit isn't far behind. Optibus is reprogramming bus and metro schedules in thousands of cities, trimming operating costs by up to 20%. On rail, Konux flags track issues before they become delays.
Logistics is getting ruthless. Route 4. Me slashes fuel by 35%. Last-mile robots from Starship deliver in under 30 minutes. And ports running navies move cargo 40% faster.
And beyond the roads, Aviation Edge optimizes flight routes. Lufthansa's predictive maintenance cuts cancellations by 30%, and Sea Machines is piloting autonomous shipping.
Transportation is one of the most AI-driven industries today. And in today's discussion, we'll explore how AI is transforming roads, railways, skies, and seas, focusing on lesser-known AI startups, real-world case studies, and country-level comparisons.
Welcome to AI Decoded, Artificial Intelligence Uncovered, the podcast where we demystify artificial intelligence and explore how it's transforming our lives, our work, and our future. I'm Emma Clarke, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this journey into one of the most transformative and fascinating technologies of our time. But before we begin, we want to share something that makes this show unique. AI Decoded is the first podcast about artificial intelligence created by supervised artificial intelligence. Yes, you heard that right. Each episode is designed, structured, and produced with the help of AI, always under the supervision of human experts. The result? Up-to-date, accurate content focused on what you really need to understand and apply.
And I'm Michael Reynolds. Whether you're already an AI enthusiast, a tech professional looking to stay ahead of the curve, or just someone curious about the buzz surrounding AI, this podcast is for you. We're here to break down the complexities, demystify the jargon, and show you how AI is changing the world, one innovation at a time.
Let's start with one of the most immediate applications: AI-powered traffic management. Traffic congestion costs cities billions in lost productivity and fuel waste. But AI is helping to change that.
Yes, and one startup leading the way is No Traffic, an Israeli company using AI-powered smart intersections. Instead of relying on fixed timed traffic lights, their system uses computer vision and edge computing to analyze real-time traffic flow and dynamically adjust signals. This has reduced congestion by up to 40% in pilot cities.
And then there's Flow Labs, a US-based AI startup using machine learning to analyze traffic patterns across entire cities. They integrate data from cameras, sensors, and vehicle-to-everything, V2X, communication, to predict congestion hotspots before they happen, allowing city planners to make real-time adjustments.
These solutions aren't just about saving time. AI-driven traffic management systems reduce carbon emissions, improve road safety, and optimize emergency response times by ensuring ambulances and fire trucks move through intersections faster.
Public transport is another area where AI is making huge improvements. From AI-driven scheduling to predictive maintenance, startups are reshaping how buses, trains, and metro systems operate.
One great example is Optibus, an AI startup optimizing bus and metro schedules in over 3,000 cities. Their platform uses deep learning to predict demand fluctuations and adjusts routes dynamically, cutting operating costs by up to 20% while improving service reliability.
And let's not forget how AI is improving predictive maintenance. A company called Konux in Germany is using AI-powered sensors and predictive analytics to monitor railway tracks. Their system detects early signs of wear and tear, preventing delays and saving railway operators millions in repair costs.
It's fascinating how AI is not only optimizing routes, but also making transportation more sustainable and efficient. A win-win for both commuters and transit operators.
Now, one of the biggest AI transformations is happening in logistics and fleet management. From AI-powered route optimization to self-learning delivery networks, companies are saving billions by using smarter, more efficient transport solutions.
Exactly. Take Route 4Me, an AI-powered logistics platform that helps delivery fleets find the most efficient routes based on real-time traffic data, weather conditions, and package weight. Their clients have reported a 35% reduction in fuel consumption and faster delivery times.
And then there's Starship Technologies, an Estonian startup using AI-powered autonomous delivery robots. These self-driving bots use computer vision, sensor fusion, and AI-powered decision-making to navigate sidewalks and deliver packages in under 30 minutes.
That's a glimpse into the future of last-mile delivery. We're not just talking about autonomous trucks and drones. AI is already improving logistics at every stage of the supply chain.
One of the most futuristic-sounding innovations is AI-powered V2X communication, where vehicles, traffic signals, and road infrastructure communicate in real time using AI and edge computing.
Yes! And this is where companies like Coda Wireless are making breakthroughs. Their AI-powered edge computing system enables cars to talk to traffic lights, pedestrian crossings, and even other vehicles to prevent accidents and optimize traffic flow.
And China is pushing this technology even further. The city of Wuxi has built an AI-powered V2X ecosystem where over 300 intersections, buses, and traffic cameras are connected in real time. This system has reduced travel delays by 15% and accident rates by 20%.
It's amazing to see how AI is creating a transportation network that's smarter, safer, and more efficient, and this is just the beginning.
Now that we've seen how AI is transforming road-based transportation, let's take a global perspective. Different countries are implementing AI in transportation at different speeds and in unique ways based on their infrastructure, policies, and technological investments.
Exactly. While North America, Europe, and Asia are leading the AI transportation revolution, their approaches are quite different. Let's break it down, country by country.
Let's start with the United States and Canada, where AI transportation efforts are driven largely by autonomous vehicle research, AI-powered logistics, and ride-sharing innovations.
That's right, the US is home to companies like Waymo, Cruise, and Aurora, all working on level 4 and 5 autonomous driving technology. But beyond self-driving cars, AI is also revolutionizing logistics and supply chains.
One great example is Gatik, a lesser-known AI startup focusing on autonomous middle-mile deliveries. They specialize in self-driving box trucks that operate fixed, repeated routes for companies like Walmart, making supply chains faster and more predictable.
And let's not forget Canada, where Mogio is leading the charge in AI-powered connected vehicle data analytics. They're using AI-driven telematics to improve fleet safety, fuel efficiency, and predictive maintenance.
Europe, on the other hand, is heavily focused on AI-powered public transportation, congestion control, and multimodal mobility solutions.
A perfect example is Celeros, a Spanish AI startup working on an autonomous Hyperloop system that could revolutionize high-speed travel. Their AI-driven pods aim to cut travel times between cities by 50 to 70%, reducing reliance on short-haul flights.
And then there's Germany, where companies like PTV Group are using AI to optimize urban mobility. Their AI-driven traffic simulations help cities reduce congestion and create more sustainable transport networks.
Europe's AI-powered transportation efforts also include predictive maintenance for trains and metros. In France, startups like SNCF Tech4Rail are using AI-powered predictive analytics to reduce train breakdowns and improve reliability for millions of passengers.
China is investing billions into AI-driven smart cities and transportation infrastructure, focusing heavily on vehicle-to-everything V2X communication and AI-powered metro systems.
One standout example is Didai Chuxing's AI lab, which has developed AI-powered traffic prediction models deployed across major cities like Beijing and Shanghai. Their AI system reduces peak hour congestion by 10 to 20% by dynamically adjusting ride-hailing supply based on real-time demand.
And let's not forget Alibaba's City Brain project. They've built an AI-powered traffic management system in Hangzhou that cut traffic jams by 15% and improved emergency response times for ambulances by 50%.
India and the UAE are also investing heavily in AI-driven transportation solutions, especially for urban transit and infrastructure optimization.
In India, startups like Chalo are using AI-powered bus tracking to make public transport more predictable and efficient, helping reduce wait times for over 20 million daily commuters.
Meanwhile, in the UAE, Abu Dhabi is testing AI-driven autonomous taxis as part of their push to create fully autonomous transport zones by 2030. And Dubai's smart traffic management system has already cut travel delays by 25% using AI-powered real-time congestion monitoring.
AI isn't just transforming roadways, It's also revolutionizing air travel and maritime logistics. From AI-driven flight operations to autonomous shipping, these industries are seeing massive improvements in safety, efficiency, and cost savings.
Let's start with aviation. AI is playing a huge role in optimizing flight routes, reducing delays, and improving aircraft maintenance.
When most people think of AI in aviation, they picture futuristic self-flying planes, but the reality is that AI is already hard at work, quietly making flights shorter, safer, and smoother. From real-time flight adjustments to turnaround optimization at airports, these AI systems are not hypothetical. They're active today.
Exactly. And the biggest impact is coming from AI systems embedded in operations, maintenance, passenger services, and airport logistics. The result? Lower costs for airlines, better on-time performance, and a noticeably better passenger journey.
Let's start in the cockpit, or rather, in the cloud. AI is optimizing flight operations in real time. Take Flyway's AI in the US, for example. They provide pilots and dispatchers with dynamic route recommendations that consider weather, turbulence patterns, and airspace restrictions.
In a trial with Alaska Airlines, Flyway's AI cut average flight times by 5 minutes and saved 480,000 gallons of fuel annually, equivalent to removing 4,600 metric tons of CO2 from the atmosphere.
In Europe, Saida OptiClimb is focusing on the most fuel-intensive stage of a flight, climbing to cruising altitude. By using AI to analyze historical flight data and weather patterns, they've delivered up to 5% fuel savings per flight. For a major carrier, that's tens of millions of dollars saved each year.
Even industry giants like Delta Airlines are investing heavily in AI flight operations. Their Flight Weather Viewer uses AI to give pilots predictive turbulence alerts up to 20 minutes earlier than traditional systems, allowing for smoother, safer flights and fewer injuries.
Maintenance is where AI's economic impact really shines. Unplanned aircraft downtime can cost airlines up to $150,000 per day per aircraft.
That's why companies like AI Maddox in Israel are embedding real-time anomaly detection into aircraft systems. By identifying component wear before it's visible to human inspectors, they've reduced unplanned maintenance events by over 30% for operators using their tech.
And it's not just startups. Lufthansa Technik, one of the world's leading MRO providers, has rolled out its AI-powered Aviatar platform. It processes terabytes of flight data to predict failures days in advance, allowing parts to be replaced during scheduled downtime instead of after a breakdown. Airlines like Lufthansa are using AI-powered engine failure prediction models to reduce unexpected breakdowns, leading to 30% fewer flight cancellations.
India's Ramco Systems is doing something similar for regional carriers, using AI to digitize maintenance records, automate inspection scheduling, and cut aircraft downtime by 20%. For smaller airlines, that's the difference between profitability and loss.
While passengers may not see AI in maintenance, they're already interacting with it in the booking and boarding process. Aeroguest in Denmark uses AI to predict and personalize travel offers, automatically suggesting seat upgrades, baggage services, and in-flight meals based on past preferences.
And big players like Emirates are using AI to offer dynamic pricing and tailored in-flight entertainment. By analyzing passenger data, they can adjust offers in real time, leading to a 15% increase in ancillary revenue.
In the UAE, Dubai Airports is piloting AI assistants that combine flight status, gate changes, and real-time navigation. Early results show passenger transfer times cut by 15% in high-traffic terminals.
Airports are essentially small cities with constant movement, and AI is now orchestrating that flow. Asaya Apron AI in Switzerland uses computer vision to monitor every stage of aircraft turnaround: fueling, catering, cleaning, baggage loading, and flag inefficiencies. This has reduced average turnaround times by up to 20%, allowing airports to handle more flights with the same infrastructure.
Singapore's Changi Airport, often ranked the best in the world, is testing AI-powered crowdflow models to reassign gates and adjust staffing in real time. The system predicts congestion points 30 minutes ahead, improving passenger movement and reducing boarding delays.
Even Heathrow Airport in London has started using AI for stand allocation, cutting towing movements by 25%, saving fuel, and reducing emissions on the ground.
Looking to the future, AI will also support the growth of urban air mobility. Think air taxis and autonomous cargo drones. While still in pilot programs, cities like Dubai are targeting commercial air taxi services before 2030, with AI managing traffic flows in congested skies.
On the sustainability side, AI is being used to optimize flight altitudes to avoid contrail formation, which can have a significant climate impact. NASA and Google have tested AI models that reduce contrail-induced warming by up to 54% without adding significant fuel burn. Then there's Spark Cognition's SkyGrid, which is developing AI-driven air traffic management for drones and urban air mobility, UAM. As we move toward air taxis and drone deliveries, AI will be essential in managing congested airspace safely.
The exciting part is that these aren't distant dreams. Many of these AI systems are either in live operation or large-scale trials. The challenge now is scaling them globally.
The maritime industry is also undergoing an AI transformation, especially in autonomous navigation, route optimization, and port logistics.
A great example is Sea Machines, a startup specializing in AI-powered autonomous shipping. Their AI-driven system allows cargo ships to navigate without human intervention, reducing human error and cutting fuel costs by 15%.
And ports are also getting smarter. Navi's, a lesser-known AI company, has developed an AI-powered terminal operating system that helps ports reduce cargo processing times by 40%, making global shipping faster and more efficient.
One fascinating AI project is Singapore's Smart Port Initiative. The government is using AI-powered predictive analytics to optimize cargo handling and prevent port congestion, ensuring smoother global trade.
So, what does all of this mean for businesses, urban planners, and policymakers?
For businesses, AI is reducing operational costs, improving efficiency, and opening new revenue streams in autonomous logistics, AI-driven fleet management, and intelligent transportation solutions.
For urban planners, AI-powered traffic and mobility systems are making cities more livable, reducing congestion, emissions, and improving public transit reliability.
And for policymakers, AI presents a unique opportunity to build sustainable, AI-powered transportation ecosystems, but only if regulations keep pace with technological advancements.
One thing is clear, AI isn't just changing transportation, it's redefining mobility itself. The question now is, how quickly can industries and governments adapt?
If you enjoyed today's episode, make sure to subscribe to our podcast on Spotify and YouTube. And if you found value in our discussion, share it with friends, colleagues, or anyone curious about the impact of AI. Spreading awareness is one of the most powerful ways to create a better understanding of this transformative technology. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep decoding AI. This is Emma Clarke
And Michael Reynolds, signing off from AI Decoded. See you in our next episode.